Let's talk about gaming on ZkSync. Now, there are a lot of games that are being developed on ZkSync along with a lot of GameFi platforms, and also there are a couple of wallets that are actively supporting games on the ZkSync era. Now, the first one that we are going to talk about is Trala Gaming. Now, Trala is a GameFi platform on the ZkSync era network, and basically it's a subsidiary of Joy City based out of South Korea. And in order to access their website, you will need to have an invite code. Now, I received one invite code today, and I will be giving this invite code to one of my subscriber. So what you can do is basically you can go ahead and join my Telegram group, links in the description, and simply follow the steps in order to receive this Trala invitation. Now only one person would be receiving it because currently I have only one invite code. Maybe in future I will be getting few more, and then I will be passing it back to you guys. Now once you have the invite code, all you have to do is you have to join the Discord and try to level up, and uh, try to like actually go ahead and compete in some events and try to get this gacha tickets. Now with this gacha tickets you have a 2% chance of minting this Trala OG NFT. Now the supply is limited, as you can see it's only 2222, and maybe in future this Trala OG NFT might hold some value. Now the next platform that we are going to talk about is Libera. Now there are some casual games on Libera. So basically it was named as Creator Land first, and now it's rebranded to Libera. Now it's a marketplace where you can actually go ahead and buy, sell, and mint NFT collection on ZkSync and Scroll. Now as you can see, they also have this game section where currently they have these three casual games. You can go ahead and play this, and there might be a chance that you might earn some in-game items or maybe NFTs. Now I will be very honest, I haven't played any of this game. The reason being I don't have much time because of work, studies, and a lot of things. So if you are into gaming, you might want to go ahead and check this Libera out over here. Now the next thing that I want to talk about is X-Rays wallet. Now X-Rays wallet is a wallet that is actively supporting gaming on the ZkSync era. Now there is a waiting for X-Rays wallet, so all you have to do is you will need to go over here, click on download over here, and first you will need to input your email address, and hopefully in few days, maybe like 2 or 3 weeks later, you will get the invite from them in order to go ahead and install X-Rays wallet on your mobile. Now if you go down over here, as you can see they have lot of things. So basically they have this option of swapping tokens, and basically using your mobile phone as gaming joystick. And also if you go ahead and check over here, they have this in-game items where you can actually go ahead and check all your in-game items and NFTs over here. So basically you would be able to manage your NFTs and in-game stuff over here. Now I'm checking my mobile, and I have access to X-Rays wallet over here. So currently the projects onboarded on X-Rays wallet are PancakeSwap, then they have also onboarded SyncSwap, and then there is Teva Gaming, which I will show you in some time, and also CryptoMaze, which I will also show you. So currently you can basically interact with these projects using the X-Rays wallet, and they also have this NFT collections over here. But for now I am able to see only Libertas Omnibus collection over here. Now there is wallet history, and then basically you can go ahead and send and receive tokens and coins on this wallet over here. And then they also have this feature of auto transfer, and also they have this option to add guardians, which is similar to the one in Clave wallet. So basically you can go ahead and check this X-Rays if you are into gaming. I think this would be similar to Ronin wallet in the future, and if there are a lot of games that would be coming in the future, you will be getting a lot of in-game stuff and maybe free NFTs, and also potentially some coins and tokens as airdrop. Also, although none of this is guaranteed, uh, as this is for information purpose only, they might drop or they might not drop. Now the next platform that we are going to talk about is Teva Gaming. Now Teva has raised a overall funding of around 5 million, and hopefully in the future we can see a airdrop for Teva as well. Now as you can see, they have few games over here, which is Teva games. There is Teva Run, then there is Guardian Islands, Wild Whispers. So if you want to go ahead, you can go ahead and play these games on the browser over here. Now there is something called as if I go to their main page, let me check over here, where you can mint actually a citizen ID. Now I have minted this citizen ID over here. It's not here. Maybe in games or somewhere else it was there actually. So I will just go ahead and show you. So as you can see, you can go ahead and mint this citizenship ID, and this will help you, I think so, for getting some NFTs and in-game items on Teva era. So basically it will be for all these games over here, and then you can go ahead and increase your score if you keep on playing daily. Now they also have something called as KP over here. I think it's a in-game token that you can basically use on the Teva era platform. Now they also have this NFTs over here, Magical Phoenix and some other NFTs, and as you can see, the floor price for this is like around $300 minimum. Now I'm not sure why the floor price is so much, because I went ahead and I minted like 5 of this for around $3.3, I think so. So they have this ONFTs bundle where you can go ahead and actually mint them for 3 to $3.5, and actually it was showing on my, I don't know, it was showing in my NFT collections over here somewhere. Now they also have this something called as Teva Dex. Now this is a decentralized exchange with Teva era, so you will be able to swap tokens. Now there are different tokens over here. There is Karma and there is Teva, so you can go ahead and swap it. Basically you can go ahead and redeem and complete some transactions over here. Now they also have this marketplace we have already talked about. Now they also have this Teva chain over here. Now this would be the layer 3 chain. Basically it's a layer 3 gaming chain on the ZkSync era. So as you can see, where you can go ahead and actually create a developer account, and if you are into coding and rest of the things, you can go ahead and maybe develop your own games on Teva era. Now they also have something called as you can see in my NFTs, you can see some NFTs over here. Now I am not sure whether these are my NFTs or not, because it's showing on the base network. I just minted few of them, so I think these are mine only. I will need to check. And then you also have the option of minting some premium NFTs over here. The reason I'm not minting all of this as of now, the reason being, I seriously don't have much time to play games these days. Before I used to play a lot of games like Counter Strike, Dota 2, and there are a lot of them, Ragnarok Online. But now I've stopped playing because of work and studies and rest of the things in my personal life. And now there is also this game Moody Madness, which is doing pretty good. Now they also have a NFT collection which has a floor price of around 0.4 ETH. Now it's a blue chip NFT collection, and they have lot of stuffs apart from the game. Like there is game, then there is NFT collection, then I think in the future they are implementing staking, and then there is roulette where you can go ahead and actually play casino. There are a lot of things that you can actually go ahead and do it on Moody Madness. So you can simply go to this link over here and simply click on start, and basically it's kind of a racing game on the ZkSync era network. Now there is another NFT collection that I've introduced a game which is called a SOB game. Now SOB is also doing extremely good. There were more than 150 sales in the past 24 hours of SOB NFTs, and I think this might be the future blue chip NFT collection. Although I'm not shilling any of these NFT collections or any of these games, as you can do your own research. This is just for information only. So you can basically go ahead and play these games over here. So this one is a casual games, and they are coming up with few other games in the future. You can join their Discord and actually go ahead and check with them, because I think they would be coming up with 2 or 3 more games in the future. Now there is also something called as Veggies Gotchi. Now they are releasing the game on 5th May. It was supposed to be on 20th April, but due to some minor bug in the game, they are fixing it, and the official release should be on 5th of May 2024. So basically here you have the option of actually earning Ethereum, and they also have an NFT collection which is called as ZkVeggies, and it's only limited like 2000 NFTs on ZkVeggies. And they also have a meme coin which is called as Beanie meme coin. Now they're doing a decent job, to be honest. The team is hardworking, and every day they are coming up with something new or the other. And similar to Moody Madness, also like CryptoMaze also is very active, and also Sop team is pretty active. Now the last thing is nothing related with actually gaming. After Elon Musk has announced that he would be banning accounts that are doing engagement farming on Twitter, and that's the reason why I have actually shifted now to Wapcast or Farcaster, you can call it. Now this is getting momentum over here, and if you are outside of the states, then you have to pay like $5 every year in order to get the access for Wapcaster. And if you are in US, it would be free for you. So you can use my sign up referral link in the description if you want to go ahead and sign up for Wapcast. And this is all for this video with regards to gaming on the ZkSync. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.